My favorite place to shop in our small town of Bancroft, the Thrift Warehouse by Search. Stick with me and you'll see some of the finds that I picked up today. Hi friends! Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for your support on the channel. I appreciate you. Now, if you are visiting for the first time, welcome. My name is Valrine, and on this channel I do home design and lifestyle videos. So there are a lot of how-to videos. I do some inspirational videos, calculation for your design projects, fabrication, and so I hope that there's a lot for you to see and do and learn from, right? So I hope you'll subscribe before you leave, and remember to hit that notification bell icon, turn on your notifications so that you can be notified of new videos. Now, usually I am showing you how to do something. In this video, I am going to be showing you some stuff that I just picked up at the thrift store, one of my favorite places to visit in our small town of Bancroft. That is the Thrift Warehouse by Search. So what I want to do is show you the stuff that I picked up and show you what my intentions are for them, because a lot of time when we go shopping, we tend to look at things as what they are or what they're supposed to be used for. However, I have learned to look at things for what I can do with them. So I look past what they are supposed to be and look at the potential. So I hope I can encourage you to do so. And one of the things that I want to look at are some storage solutions. Now, when you see something like this, usually you think about using it in your bathroom, right? However, this could be used not only in a bathroom, it could be used actually behind the doors, under your sink, in your kitchen, where you can store your bottles or your pads or hang like reusable bags on these hooks. It could also be used in your closet. In your closet, you could use it to hang like belts on the side hooks. There's one here and one here. So you could use it for belts, and you could also use it to hang jewelry on. And the top here you could use for your bottles that you may have in your closet, right? You may have some type of a body cream or whatever bottles you have. You hang this on the wall and then you use it for storage. And these slats here, you could actually put scarves through, just thread the scarf through like this, and you could fit up to a dozen scarf and something like this. Other than that, you could just put down a jewelry box here if you're storing jewelry on both sides. But yeah, it has multiple uses. You may label it as bathroom storage, but just look past that and look at other uses for it. And really, I paid $1 for this in the thrift store. Even in our dollar store here, I wouldn't get this for $1. Maybe I'll get this for $2.50, $3, or even $4, because the dollar store nowadays, it's not a dollar store anymore. This is also for storage. And usually these ones you hang over the doors. However, this could actually be hung on like a towel bar. You can use a towel bar in your laundry room, in your closet. It doesn't have to be in a bathroom. And then you can use this to hang bags. If it's in your closet, you could use it for handbags. You could use it for scarves. You could use it for belts, or even for jewelry, just like the one I showed you previously. This one was a bit more expensive, but it's just $2. I probably would get this in a home store for $10. And so that's one of the reasons why I like to shop in thrift store, because there's absolutely no reason for me to go out and to spend $10 for something like this when I can get it for $2. So always consider, when you're shopping for stuff like these, check out your thrift store. Here's another one. This is for hanging over the door also. You can hang it over a towel bar just like the previous one I showed you. And they are just great storage solutions. This one I paid $1.50 for. Maybe if I had gotten it in a garage sale, I would have gotten it for 25 cents, because there's a 25 cents here and then there's $1.50 here. This is the thrift store price. This may have been a garage sale price, but anyways, $1.50 is still a great price. Let's see, what else do I have here? Okay, so I'm always doing little projects, so I picked this up. This is a corner painter for painting those corners. Ease of painting with this triangular shape. And I paid 50 cents for this. Okay, so moving on. I was just about ready to check out, but there was somebody else at the cash that was checking out at that time. So I put the stuff I had down, and then I went searching and I found this lovely piece of fabric, which was done by using a process that is called batik. So batik is using wax on the fabric and then dyeing and ironing and then dyeing, so you get multiple layers of different colors and you get your pattern here. So it's a piece of fabric that, as soon as I saw it, I figured I would use that for a body pillow. So not because it's not a huge piece of fabric, it's a lovely panel. All I have to do is get a piece of beige or white or yellow fabric to coordinate with what's here to make a lovely pillow. I don't know if you guys have seen the pillows that I've made with like the knitted panels. They're supposed to be placemats, and I use them to make pillow. There are so many things that you can just look at in a new light, and so you're able to get things that would otherwise cost you big bucks, because pillows and stuff like those with batik designs on them are very expensive. So make sure you look out for things like those when you are in your thrift store. I do, because I like to get creative. So if you're the creative type, yeah, see things for what you can do with them, not for what they are. This basket I picked up, and the minute I picked it up, I thought about storage. I can use it in my laundry room. I can use it as a storage for toys. I can use it as a planter, actually. Just plop a regular old plastic planter, even the ones that you get with your plants when you buy them in the nurseries, inside. But what I would do before I do that is give a lovely finish on the outside. Now you can use paint to do fall finishes that can look like brick, that can look like whatever you want it to look like, right? And if you're going to use it for storage, you can make a basket liner. Recently, I did a video, which I haven't edited yet. Look out for that video. I show you a quick and easy way to make an insert for a basket, whether it's rectangular or it's square. So I'll have to do one that shows you how to make an insert for a basket such as this one. So yeah, that's storage solution, my friend. storage solutions here, storage solution. And I picked this up. Actually, this wicker basket was only $2, which is an excellent price. I can't get this in the dollar store for $2, maybe $3 or $4, right? And so I'm saving there. And this one here was only $1. This is also storage solution. Make an insert, use it without an insert. It's a laundry hamper, it's a toy keeper, it's a whatever you want it to be. It's not always necessary to buy everything new. You can reuse, repurpose, recycle, and reduce waste. And in that way, we all help the environment, right? So yeah, I was happy to share with you guys. Yeah, I actually have some stuff in here. These are brackets and finials for like a curtain rod. These can be very expensive if you go into home decor stores and such. Look at this. It looks like a fleur-de-lis. It's a pretty heavy, very weighty bracket. So I picked these up. These are actually finials. These are finials that you can put on the end of your curtain rod. And then I have the brackets for the curtain rod. So consider looking for things like these in your thrift stores. That's all I have for you guys today. If I've said anything here that can be useful to you guys, let me hear it. Give me the comments, give me the thumbs up, and share. Also, remember to subscribe. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate you so much because it gives me, you give me that platform to share my thoughts, to share ideas with you guys. And so I have that outlet, and it's like talking to some friends, right? I'm getting more and more comfortable in front of the camera, but it doesn't mean that I'm going to be long-winded, because usually my videos are concise and to the point. But I'm looking forward to sharing more with you guys, especially when it comes to lifestyles, when it relates to how you live in your home, how you can spend more and spend less and get more. And yeah, so thanks again. I'll see you in the next video.